for today is evolution of human resource management. So when you talk about evolution of human resource management, it explains the historical and contemporary factors. When you talk about evolution of management, it refers to the stages of human resource management and how human resource management developed one after the another stage or the phase. The first and foremost phase of human resource management is the Industrial Revolution. During this period, machines were brought, technology made rapid progress, jobs were more technical, employers were keen to meet production targets rather than satisfy worker demands. Government did very little to protect the interest of the workers. In this period, what happened is it was the industrial revolution. The industries started where the people were considered to be just like a machinery, where they were only there to satisfy the production demands and work for producing the products. This was the first stage of human resource management. In the second stage of human resource management, that is the scientific management, if you just go across the F.W. Taylor scientific management thing, so here the Taylor argues that individuals should be selected, should be matched physically and mentally to the requirements of the tasks exactly as specified. A differential piece rate system was also introduced to provide incentives for employees. Here, when you talk about F.W. Taylor, his scientific management to improve the efficiency in the workers, what did he say this? When you are bringing a worker, the worker should know the job, he should suit the job physically, mentally to do the exact specified job. When he knows the job very well, he will be able to perform with the job very well. So he also said that the differential piece rate system, that is the difference in the payment system. When a worker performs, he should be paid more. When he performs less, he should not be paid more. So this brings a competition in workers and helps the worker to grow. Next stage is the trade unionism stage. Here the unionism refers to the workers started joining the unions. Why the workers started joining unions? To protect against the exploitation of employers and the unfair trade practices. They tried to stop the trade practices which were adopted by the employers. So unions also tried to improve lot of workers' morale by collective bargaining. Collective bargaining refers to a bargaining done between an employer and employee. There is a joint agreement done between an employer and employee. And it also helps in resolving the issues, conflicts between the workers. That is what the trade union movement. Coming to the next point, human relations movement. It emphasizes on the experiments conducted by Elton Mayo. You might have been studied the experiments conducted by the Elton Mayo. Here, in his experiments, he tells that workers are highly motivated only because of human relations, friendly environment, counseling programs to strengthen the bond between the labor and management. So that is what human relation management. Employee is not just to earn money, he is also there to build relations. When he works with a good environment, and the good environment, friendly environment is developed, the workers work more. That is what the human relation movement is. The last point is human relation approach. That is what the human resource management is. This theory advocates that happy workers are more productive. It gives importance on the recognition of workers. So here there are some of the points. Motivation of employee. The employee has to be motivated now and then. So, and the recognition of good job has to be done. If a worker performs well, he has to be recognized with the help of incentives, extra benefits given to the employee. Next comes, there is a employees are to be selected on the basis of qualifications. The employees have to be selected on the basis of the qualification. He will be able to perform well in the job. Next is employees are to be properly trained and developed to suit and perform in the jobs. Whenever the employee is being brought to the organization, he has to be properly provided with the training. When he's been properly provided with the training and development happens, he will be able to perform in the job. Next, people are integral part of organization. So here it tells that they are also a part of an organization. It like men, material and machinery are the integral part of organization. Here people are also the part of organization and they have to be treated very well. Next, the work satisfaction can improve the productivity of workers. So there is should be a satisfaction in his job. The worker has to be create the job has to be satisfied, and it also tells that the payment system in such a manner that it satisfy the needs of the workers. When the needs and wants of the workers are being satisfied, he will be a productive worker rather than an unproductive worker. The last point is work environment should be healthy, safe, comfortable and convenient place to work. The worker should not have fear in working. Like there is, if he goes for work, he might got into trouble and there is a problem for his health or the problem for his himself, where he's not been he should not feel that unsecure or unsafe. If he's been provided with safety measures and safety comfortable environment, he will be performing very well. So this talks about the evolution of human resource management. Fine then, thanks a lot.